my berries? It's me, Darkberry32, and do you sometimes feel like you're every woman? Well, I know I do. And I just want to let you know that on this channel, you will find everything. From cooking, from cleaning, to decor, DIYs, some fashion, and a lot of shopping. But best of all, I do it all on a budget. Yes, I'm a woman that loves Jesus. I'm a U.S. Air Force veteran. I was a divorcee. I was a single mother, but now I'm happily married. My husband Earl and I, we love to entertain y'all. So you know what? You might even find vlogs on that on this channel. If this sounds like something you're interested in, what are you hesitating for? Y'all, it's free. Remember I said a budget? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. But most importantly, comment, like, and share. All that good stuff. So I hope this is something you're interested in. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.